Authorities
Jamaica,
are
watch
trying to
this.
ascertain whether a body discovered in Spalding, Manchester was that of the main suspect in the double murder of 29-year-old Tara Pinnock and her teen daughter Talia Wright in St. Catherine on Thursday.
TVJ News understands that the man was found earlier today. The police are awaiting family members to positively identify the body.
Now, meanwhile, at the Bridgeport Primary School, students and staff are still trying to come to terms with the ordeal. The gates at the Bridgeport Primary opened Friday morning, but the usual laughter was replaced by silence as students received news that the body of their teacher Tara Pinnock and her 14-year-old daughter Talia Wright were discovered inside their home in St. Catherine with stab wounds on Thursday. The deceased teacher's grade 5 students were in a reflective mood. They used paper to draw, write poems, and letters to the teacher they will never see again.
She will be with us always. We love you, Miss Pinnock.
The Education Ministry deployed a team of guidance counselors to offer support to the students and staff who were still trying to come to terms with the teacher's death. Guidance counselor Juanita Gardner-Hunter spoke with our news team.
The children, a lot of them were in shock. Some of them said they were, and their words are here. These are the feelings that the children captured this morning. There's anger, there's sadness, they are depressed, they're uncomfortable, they're upset, they're heartbroken, disappointed, betrayed, and even shocked. And these were words from the children. And one of them said she doesn't know what to feel. She couldn't even see.